Welcome back to Decorating with Barbara. Today I am going to share with you guys my French country farmhouse tablescape. I've also teamed up with two other YouTubers, Rollin with Anita and Angelic Interior Designs by Chanel. And they will be sharing their farmhouse tablescapes as well. Now on Anita's channel, she does home decor videos, hauls, tours, and much more. Now, Chanel is a crafter, and she does home decor videos, hauls, and tours. So if you haven't been on their channels yet, please check them out. You will not be disappointed. And if you are visiting Decorating with Barbara for the first time, welcome. And over here, I do all things decorating. So I do hauls, tours, DIYs, and much more. So let me tell you a little bit why I like French Country Farmhouse. They both are casual and refined. They have neutral colors, textures, and a lot of botanical and rustic elements. So let's start here with the place setting. I have a gray and white placemat from Hobby Lobby, and I showed you guys this in the haul. And then I'm going to layer it with a charger that I actually got from the grocery store, which was gray to begin with, but I painted it in a white and then did a brown wash. And what I liked about it was the cutout detail, and I thought in a different color it could be pretty on a tablescape. And so every farmhouse will have a white plate, and so that's what I'm going to layer here. And because I am casual, I am going to layer all of my other items on top of the plate, just so that it's not a formal look. It is more relaxed and casual. And you can see I used a gray napkin with a silver napkin ring. Very simple, a simple glass, and then I used a fruit bowl and put a air plant inside, and I just took little pinches of flowers from a bush and placed it over here inside the air plant. Okay guys, so here on the ends of the table, I just have a pair of silver candlesticks, and as you can see, I have different candles on top, because once again I'm trying to keep it casual, and in a farmhouse nothing has to match exactly, nothing has to be perfect, just use what you have. Now over here on the centerpiece, I basically just took a lot of floral pieces that I had laying around the house and placed them inside of this bowl. If you guys remember, I showed you this pot in a recent haul, and I had wanted to use it in my living room, and I thought I would take it back, but I decided to try it in here, and I think it worked out really nicely. And I just put it on top of a wood slice that I whitewashed so that it would go with my decor. So if you guys see these white wood slices and you like them, but they're not in the wood tone that you like, just consider giving it a little wash or a stain. So this plant up here, guys, I did get this new. This is from Pottery Barn, and this is a succulent, and I just like the subtle hint of color, and so that's why I wanted to use it in here, just to kind of give the neutral flowers and pods, just a little pop and a little softness for spring. And then this hydrangea I got from Hobby Lobby, and it's cream, and it has little silver detail on some of the petals. And then in front of the pot, I just placed another little trinket from Hobby Lobby. I like the color. It's like in a smoked glass, and I thought that was really pretty. And then of course, the silver birds are all part of spring. Now over here, I just wanted to point out the picture. If you guys remember the picture that I painted in a recent collab, I think it was last year, the art gallery that I did, I decided to bring it down to the dining room. I had placed it in my bedroom, but for spring, I brought it downstairs, and I think it looks great with all the colors. Okay guys, now the wall sconces, I did a little makeover on the wall sconces. They were originally in a darker silver and black, but for spring, part of my refresh, I lightened them up, especially once I painted the walls gray. I wanted to give the sconces a lighter tone, so I painted them in a light color cream, and then I used a brown and a gray wash. Now you guys have seen this buffet many times, but for spring I decided to add a few botanicals. I added a succulent bush in the mercury glass vase. And then, of course, you guys see my horse that I always have up here. And then I just added some pottery that you see a lot in French Country and Farmhouse. And I added, to pick up the light tones of the mauve, I added this mauve colored candle. And then just some other botanicals laying on the buffet, just to add a little interest. Okay guys, so do you remember my Dobo? I usually have it sitting on the dining room table, but since I'm not using it at the moment, I decided to display it with some birchwood sticks and my mercury glass ball. Okay guys, so over here in this corner, now if the light changes, I do apologize, but this is my reading corner. So I just wanted to add a little bit of decor, a couple of vignettes of farmhouse inspired and French Country inspired. In French Country, you will see a lot of urns, pottery, glass. It's always a mix of things, but things of interest. So that's what I call myself doing over here. You can see with the candles, I didn't worry about matching anything, but everything does coordinate. And I just added some books and then some botanicals and just things of interest. Okay guys, I just want to thank you all for watching. Thanks to my new and returning subscribers. Thanks to those of you who are here for the first time. And I also would like to thank Anita and Chanel for coming along with me on this collab. Now, if you are here for the first time, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to go check out the other ladies. You will not be disappointed. Now, I hope you guys were inspired to go and do something spring in your own homes. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.